Okay, they're all gonna come out. Easy peasy. I didn't spray it yet. I was about to. Okay, let's get this off. Okay. Looks like original color, maybe. What do you think? No rust. Let's see, hold on. This piece says 13-300B, and this one says 13-300A. Good shape. Good shape, just incredibly dirty. Pretty good. Pretty good. Okay. Let's get this off. Just haven't done anything to it yet. It's exactly how it came from the person I bought it from. This was a marketplace buy. Local to me. This is really such a great vise because look how wide it can go. I realize these are only 3 inches, but wow, that's pretty awesome. Okay. All right. The date. Can you guys see that? Was that 12/30/52? Pretty sure that's what it says. Looks like a 12. It's got to be a 3. Got to be a 0. Can't be a 6 because there's no guaranteed expiration date. Okay. Okay. 52 it is. I'm sure there will be people who will quibble with that, but pretty sure that's what it is. Okay. This one looks like it might not come out. Those two look like they might come out. All right. Well, let's just see then. Let's see. Without, they were so loose, ready to come out anyway. Again, didn't spray them. It's my lucky day, you guys. It's my lucky freaking day. Rather chewed, a little bit. This one's way chewed. Ooh, it's coming out. It's coming out. Slightly bigger, little meatier. Oh, let's see. Oh yeah, they were so loose already. This is a beautiful thing, man. A beautiful thing. But this one is super duper chewed. Super chewed. Hope you can see that. Okay. No numbers. Gunky. Gunky. No numbers. Okay. What about this one? Okay. I think I'm going to stay with the flat blade. Oh, it's coming out. They're so loose. I did not pre-loosen these. I'm telling you guys, I had no knowledge. Way better screw. Way better. Or bolt. Hopefully I'm showing you guys. Can't. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Coming right out, you guys. Coming right out. Sweet. A little chewed. Not bad. Not bad. Let's see here. And this one's dry. I don't know how that one got gunky. But good shape. They're in good shape. Both of them are in good shape. Now this one's a little mashed. Slightly. Same with this one. A little mashed right in here, but that's okay. That doesn't do anything to the functionality, that's for sure. Let's see about this. Not chewed at all. That's a beautiful thing. Again, good shape. Put these guys over here where they need to be, so I don't lose nobody. I don't need a man overboard. Okay, last one. Again, good shape. Just looks real gunky. No problemo. Oh, this is in good shape, you guys. The last one I worked on was just completely rusty. I got it smooth, as smooth as I could go, but there was even rust and pitting down into this part of the old one that I just finished. This is in good shape, very good shape. Okay, yep, that came out. Okay, all right. Wait a minute. Oh, that one stayed in there. You see that? See how it's still stuck inside? Whereas this one completely popped out. I don't guess it much matters as long as it's working. But it only goes one way. Which means, what does this mean? Push it out that way? I'm not going to mess with it. There's no need. Okay. On to the next step, which is going to be cleaning, degreasing, and wire wheeling. All right. Look at this. This is why I wear gloves. paint. Didn't notice that. Don't care. I like these little brushes because they kind of make everything one level of lube, I guess you could say. Oh, guess I should lube the other part too. Hold on. A little too much, but I'll wipe it off after. Okay. Okay. Don't trust my hands. I'm dirty, I don't want to touch anything too much. Okay. Okay. Let's get a little closer here. Oops. Wrong way. It always takes me a second to remember which way. Let's try this one on this side. Okay. Very good, very good, very good. Okay, there we go. In. Okay, so I decided to replace these. You can see they're chewed. Hopefully you can see that. This is not the worst one. Let's see. No, I lied. That was the worst one. Right there. And although I could reinstall them easily enough, I decided not to. I decided to go with the new version, online version that I bought. Same screw bolt, however you want to call it, bolt screw, and hex. So that's what I'm going to use. I decided not to use these. So there we go. Okay. Well, that's the way it's going to go. That seems to be the way it's supposed to fit. So there you go. Okay, now I know why some of them were getting mashed, because they're barely in there. I mean, deep-wise. Nothing can be done about that. At least I can't. So, let's see here. Too much lube. All right, you dirty minds. That's better. I got a lot on that first one. Okay. I can tell which side goes where because one side is chewed. But that's the way it's supposed to be. That's sticking out. That bothers me. That bothers me, sticking out right there. It would be way sticking out on this one. I may end up shaving some off of this one. I think that's what I'm gonna do. I can just take and shave a little off of that, and so it won't be so long. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna come back. Okay, I shortened it by a little bit, and it appears to be just fine now. It's not protruding, it's not on the edge of the outer limits of this jaw. So that works. I used my 1750 to put it into, and then I used my handy dandy M12. Love that thing. Best tool on the market, as far as I'm concerned. Small enough for me to handle, and yet, mighty. I love it. Oh, wrong one. Wrong one. It's this one. Okay. Let's see what we got here. Get them all in there real nice. I can tighten them down later if I want to make them any tighter than they are. I don't think I do. They sit in pretty good. I don't like, wish they'd sit more flush because they're just going to get chewed, similar to the originals. Like these sit in a little bit deeper. I don't have any tap and die or anything like that to make it better. So it is what it is, and I'm happy with it because better than those old chewed up ones. Okay, that's looking good. So far, so good. Okay, let's do a little bit of this. I think there should be a lot on the key, or the guide, whatever you like to call it. Okay. Okay. I can just sit there because I'm not ready to put it in just yet. It's ready. Oh. There we go. Okay. All right. So this next part I've never done before because I've never removed the pins before, and I did this time. And believe me when I tell you this, yeah, it wasn't easy. Took me 2 tries to get these out. I started from the outside and then went inside to out. I didn't bore you guys with it because I was lost in the weeds. I didn't know what I was doing. And finally I figured it out because I'm extremely, well, stubborn. That's pretty much it. So, let's see here. Okay, so I wrote down 14 as the top, and I wrote down that this little mistake, if you will, I guess, is also the top. So, like that. There you go. You see, this has got hit right there. I'm hoping that it doesn't cause the end cap to not be able to go in there properly, but what did I say? 14 is top. I think this is how you're supposed to do it. I'm not really sure. I think this needs loop. I don't know if I'm doing this right, you guys, so I'm giving it my best. Okay, so that's top. Okay, it should go just like that. I guess you have to tap it in, huh? Okay. I know I can bang it back out if I do it wrong. This sort of just fell out when I finally got the pins completely out, and it looks like it's lined up okay. Shoot. Yeah, it's lined up. As far as I can tell. I don't know why this is so hard to get in. I think it's just... Oh, I hope it's lined up. That's all I gotta say about that. Geez, I hope so. I probably can wiggle it a little bit and get it to get in there right. Okay, it's in there. Okay guys, it took me a while to line this outer part up. That was the hardest part, getting that lined up. So let's get these in. I got lucky. These screws are bolts. I don't know what to call them, screws, bolts. It screws again, but it's kind of like a bolt on the end. But they were not chewed. They were in good shape. I don't like to touch it. Oh. Okay. That is in. All right. Any lube that pops out, we'll just take it out. All right. Okay, you guys. One more thing to do now. Okay. I bought this because this didn't come with one. So your guess is as good as mine how well it will work. I pray that it does. Otherwise, I'm kind of SOL here. But it should pop in there. The distance should go right up to the inside apparatus. So, and my only problem is this thing's been bent right here, right there. So I'm hoping I can get this in there, get it started evenly, because that would be the only reason. I ended up buying the wrong one here. I bought it for the 835 and I had one for the 835. So I took the 835 and I put it on here to see if it would even fit, and it did well enough. So what I'm gonna have to do now is pop this in there in such a way where it manages that kind of crooked part. But I don't want to get it crooked to start with. So you know what I mean? So let's see. Let's see. Okay. Nope. This is a different setup than a normal one. I don't know if it's going to look the same either, but we'll see. The bottom's going in right there. Now I got to get this side in. I don't want to have to pop it back out. Okay, what do we got here? Okay, let's get the bottom. Oh, that rubber piece right there is something that he said was like a band to help it stay tight. And obviously, because this has been hit right here, hit or dropped or something right there, it's a flat spot on in the curve. This is protruding out right there, which is no fault of the manufacturer, of course. Just go little bit by little bit and see what, get this thing in there. Shoot. Oh, that's better. That's better. It's just popping out one side to go to the other. Okay, got to keep trying. It'll go in eventually. I like to hit it with this leather because I don't want to. I want to soften the blow just a little bit. It's way out on this side. Way out. Still that rubber thing's coming out right there. I hate messing with this stuff like this. I like when stuff goes in easy. Don't we all? Shoot. It's going. It's going. That rubber grommet, I'll cut that away. Take an X-Acto knife and just cut that off because it doesn't really need to be there, obviously. I think the rubber mallet was too rubbery to make it happen. So, what do we got here? Ooh, ooh, ooh. Pretty good. Looks a little funky because, quite honestly, that's pretty far out compared to a normal one. A normal one kind of makes a nice curve here. This is way pushed out. But hey, it'll do what it's supposed to do, which is to keep all the dust and the debris out. That's in there. That sucker is in there. And that rubberized thing is still there. I think it's flush. Sorry, gotta pick it up and look. Okay, I see where it could go down a little bit, I think, maybe. It's kind of hard to tell, to be honest. It's in there. That is in there. I think I'll just leave that rubber stuff alone. Unless it bothers me. And it doesn't. Alright. There you go, you guys. My new 9300. That says 8300N as in Nancy. And this side on the stationary jaw, 9300 right there. And I'll tell you guys something. I didn't do any kind of lettering or anything. I might do that later. But I gotta tell you, these are extremely not chewed. Extremely good. And that's awesome. Now here, you're gonna laugh at me. This is primer. I forgot to mark it off, but I did before I painted. And so, needless to say, I'm just gonna leave that there. What the hell? It'll just protect it longer, and I'll bang on it, or not. Now here, you guys can see they really got crazy on this. That looks like hammer marks to me, like the end of a carpenter's hammer. Same thing here. Same thing right there. A little dirty from me handling it. Okay. What do you guys think? Pretty good? Got this. Got that on eBay. Was not cheap. Was ridiculously priced, but for a little piece. But and it doesn't even fit the way the regular ones do. But what you gonna do? You need the cover. And as I said, I'm not gonna worry about it. Lots of lube underneath there. All right. There you go. I had these on there. I shined these up, shined that up, shined it. Didn't have to shine that. And there you go. My 9300.